Remember this? The episode that where Ben 10 first met Kevin 11? This is the result of the first ability that the first ability that the Osmosian spirit was activated and triggered. Tonight, we're gonna draw Pyro Knight Kevin 11, otherwise known as Heatblast Kevin 11. After first discovering that Kevin 11 was half alien, Ben sought out to find a way for Kevin to master his new transformations. It took some time for him to adjust, and now Kevin 11 is now a great hero. As we know, Osmosians can absorb metal. That's a safe way for Kevin to absorb his powers to be in use. There's his pants. Now the special ability for Kevin is his upper half and his Pyro Knight-like arms.
Was the same race as he is. He said that sheriff wasn't really black. In 2015, Barnes praised Iran's Supreme Leader, Ayatollah Khomeini, for supporting Black Lives Matter. He reached out to the Lieutenant Governor Barnes.
And finished. Then I tell you to draw Heatblast Kevin, 11. To find out more, I'm proud that you got to see me draw this guy. If you want to see me draw more aliens from Ben 10, I'm proud to accept that. Just go to the Ben 10 playlist and select what alien you want me to draw next. I've been trying to get requests out to those who have new ideas for new Ben 10 Ultimate Alien stuff. I consider it as a great thing. Anyhow, if you want to find out more on how to draw more aliens, let me know what new Ben 10 fighter you want me to draw next. That's all for now. Sega source you later. Farewell and good night.